Hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are enjoying, you're getting some benefits from these practices, please share this course with somebody that you know it could help out. We're really trying to spread these skills and these techniques to as many people as possible. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. Let's go ahead, get to the top of the mat, standing positions, arms alongside the body. Push the feet down, toes pointing forward. Exhale all the air out. Take an inhale through the nose into the belly all the way up to the chest. Open mouth. Exhale. Inhale through the nose. Reach the arms up. Exhale. Fold. Bend the knees. Keep the spine long. Inhale. Halfway lift. Flatten the back. Hands could come to the shins. Shoulders away from ears. Exhale. Fold. Inhale. Upward salute. Bend the knees. Drop the hips down. Push the feet down. Reach up. Exhale, hands to the chest, breathing in and out through the nose. Inhale, upward salute. Breath to movement. Take your time here. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Keep the spine long. Inhale, halfway lift. Flatten the back. Find the engagement. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Drop the hips down. Inhale, upward salute. Reach up. Exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, arms reach up. On the exhale, chest expansion. Interlace hands behind the back. Squeeze the fist towards the ground. Reach the shoulder blades together. Good. Now pull the ribs in. Chin to the chest. Draw the shoulders back and down. Relax the belly. Breathe into the body. Good. Another full inhale from the belly through the sides of the body all the way up to the chest. On the exhale, fold it forward, bend the knees, lead with the chest. Reach the fist up towards the ceiling, relax the head towards the ground. Release the arms down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the right leg back, low lunge. Back knee comes to the ground, hands to the hips. Square the hips and shoulders forward. Inhale, breath, arms reach up. Exhale, drop the hips towards this front heel. Make sure that knee's over the ankle. Gently pushing down the big toe mound of the front foot. Inhale through the sides of the body, find length. Exhale, sink the hips a little lower. Good, one more breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, breath, reach up. On the exhale, half split. Straighten out the front legs. Flex the toes towards you. Now adjust the feet where you need to. And this is where these blocks can come in handy. If the hands don't quite reach the ground, you can use these blocks. It really makes some poses more accessible. Try to reach the crown of the head forward. Breathe into the belly. And roll the shoulders back and away from the ears. Good. Inhale. We'll come back into the lunge. Shorten the stance a little bit. Reach the arms up. Exhale. Twist. Elbow outside of knee. Palm on top of palm. Start to look up and back. Work the palms towards the center of the chest. Good. Push the front foot down. Push the back shin down. Unwind. Frame the front foot with the hands. Runner's lunge. Back leg comes off the ground. Reach the chest forward. Flex that right leg. Exhale. Knee to nose. Straighten out the front leg. Chin to the chest. Inhale. Runner's lunge. Exhale. Straighten out the front leg. Bring the chin to the chest. Inhale. Runner's lunge. Bend into the knee. Exhale. Straighten that front leg. Inhale. Standing splits. Back foot comes off the ground. Good. You can grab the ankle here. Right leg is engaged. Left leg's long. Be strong in that standing leg. Challenge your balance. Hands off the ground. You can grab the ankle. Take an inhale, reach that right leg up. Exhale, Jiva squat, knee behind knee. If the hands need to touch the ground, that's okay. Inhale, lengthen that right leg up. Exhale, Jiva squat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Jiva squat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Jiva squat. Inhale, reach that leg up. Exhale, forward fold, feet together. Inhale, upward salute. Drop the hips down, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Make sure the toes are pointing forward. Sit low in this chair pose. Good. Look down, see the toes just beyond the knees. Try to keep the biceps by the ears. Good. Lift the chest, reach the tailbone back, grow long, work the breath. One more inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left leg back. Low lunge, back knee comes to the ground. Hands could start at the hips. Knee over the ankle. Once you're stable, inhale, breath brings the arms up. Exhale, drop the hips towards the front heel. Good. Try to avoid this deep back bend as you breathe, finding length upward. Exhale, it's our opportunity to find more depth. Continue to breathe and refine the pose. So the pubic bone pushes forward slightly. You're pushing into this front foot so you're real stable. Trying to find that neutral position with the hips. Maybe you can grow a little bit taller out of the waist. One more inhale. Good. On the exhale, half split, straighten out the front leg. Hands come to the ground, frame the front foot. Adjust the feet if you need to. Breathe here. Reach the crown of the head forward. Rotate this right outer hip back and down. Continue to breathe. Good. Next inhale. Back to the low lunge. Shorten the stance a little bit. Arms reach up. Big breath in. Exhale, we'll come into the twist. Elbow outside of knee. Palm on top of palm. Start to look up and slightly back. Good. Find the balance in the feet. And then working the palms towards the center of the chest. Continue to breathe. And where can you relax? Maybe the shoulders, relax the eyes and the face. Good. Frame the front foot. We'll make our way into a runner's lunge. Hands to the ground, back knee comes off the ground. We want to work to find this balance between effort and ease in our practice. So in a low runner's lunge here, take an inhale, reach the chest forward. Exhale, straighten the front leg. Inhale, runner's lunge. So as we find more effort, exhale, straighten out the front leg. The body's going to be working a little bit harder. Inhale, runner's lunge. And that's where we need to bring the balance of the ease. That's where the breath comes in. Exhale, straighten out the front leg. So work that balance between effort and ease, tension and relaxation. Standing splits, back foot comes off the ground. Lengthen that left leg nice and strong. Find the balance. Maybe you grab the ankle. Maybe the fingertips are just touching the ground. Inhale, half lift. Try to flatten the back. Exhale, Jiva squat, knee behind knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Jiva squat. Try taking the hands off the ground. Inhale, lengthen that left leg up. Exhale, Jiva squat. Get low. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold, feet together. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, upward salute. Push the feet down. Reach through the hands. Big lift. Exhale, hands to the chest. Relax the arms alongside the body. We'll come into a balancing pose. Bring this right knee to 90 degrees. Good. Flex this left leg a little bit. Find stability here. Bring the left hand to the knee. Right arm reaches behind. See if you can look towards that hand behind you. Nice. Look forward. Bring the hands to the hips. Do your best. Straighten out this leg. Reach through the heel. Stand tall. Now point through the toes. Good, you got it. Keep breathing. One more inhale. Exhale, standing splits, hands to the ground. Rotate that leg up and back. Good. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, Jiva squat, knee behind knee. Inhale, lengthen that leg up. Now's your time to try taking the hands off the ground. Exhale, Jiva squat. One more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Jiva squat. Inhale, warrior three. Hands come to the heart. Reach the heel up. Find the balance between the head and the heel. Breathe here. Find the balance. One more breath. Exhale, forward fold, feet together. Inhale, upward salute all the way up to the top. Exhale, hands to the chest. Relax the arms alongside the body. Inhale, bring this left knee to 90 degrees. Engage the ankles. Roll the shoulders back and down. Find the balance on this right leg. Bend the knee a little bit. Good. We'll come into the twist. Bring the right hand to the knee. Left arm reaches behind you. Stay tall. See if you can rotate the head and look towards those fingers behind you. Good. Right leg is strong. Keep the ankle engaged. Breathe. Good. Start to look forward. Bring the hands to the hips. Inhale breath. Straighten out that left leg. Reach through the heel. You got it. Breathe here. Keep reaching through the heel. Stay tall. Point through the toes. Nice. Good. Keep pointing. Pull the core in. You got it. One more inhale. Exhale. Standing splits. Hands to the ground. Reach that left foot up and back. Nice, easy transition. Take an inhale, half lift. Exhale, Jiva squat, knee behind knee. Now's the time to challenge the balance. Inhale, lengthen that left leg up. Exhale, Jiva squat. One more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Jiva squat. Inhale, warrior three. Hands could come to the heart. Lift the body up. Lengthen that left leg back. Reach the crown of the head forward. One more. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold, feet together. Inhale, upward salute all the way up to the top. Exhale, hands to the chest. Great job. Inhale, chair pose. Find the engagement in the body. Use those muscles in the leg. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms. Come to a tabletop position. Inhale, cow pose. Look up, lift the tailbone. Exhale, cat, round through the back. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Neutral tabletop position. Go ahead and come to laying on our back. You guys did a great job in the practice today. If you've got time for a simple meditation, lengthen out the legs. You can bring the left hand to the heart, right hand to the belly. And just take, even if it's just 30 seconds or a minute, take a moment in stillness. Feel the resonance of the practice in the body. This is our time to practice meditation. So this practice of meditation is helping us learn how to work with our focus. As different thoughts and ideas come up into the head, we start thinking. In this practice of meditation, we recognize that thinking, and then we bring our focus back to the breath. We rest our focus on the breath until another thought comes, pulls us away, another emotion or feeling. And then as soon as we remember, we come back to the breath. This is really connecting us to openness and spaciousness within, a key element. Breathe here. Job in today's practice. If you're ready to move on, start to blink the eyes open, bring some movement into the hands and feet. You can rock the head left to right. Nice job, guys. Stick with it. Keep it up. Let me know how it's going. If you have questions about the practice, please reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Get these things clarified so that you can keep growing in the practice. All right, we'll see you in the next one.